You are going to love the 2010 Caliber. The Dodge Caliber is unique inside and out. Its sassy, smart exterior styling combines with numerous clever interior features, such as a flip-out iPod holder and a chilled glove box compartment. You'll love the smoothness of the transmission and the quietness of the cabin. A joy to drive. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, ambient lighting, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.